Started off your Thursday forecast pretty chilly out there as we had a little bit of clearing skies in the wee hours of the morning, but the cloud cover moved in quickly, and we're going to see plenty of cloud cover in the 7-day forecast and many chances of snow. You know why? Because we've got 1, 2, 3 clippers coming through that will bring in some light snow. Let's move right over to our graphic system. Yep, the snow is in the forecast, but it'll be light overall. So we're getting clipped by some clippers. Now, most of these clippers, well, they actually originate in Canada, and they come down and they're pretty dry. But a couple of these are going to be able to tap into a little bit of moisture so we could get some light snow. So light snow many times, mucho cloud cover, and for dub beers, we're going to have to huddle up because it is going to be cold on Sunday. It's cold out there right now. It feels like just 15, but we're wrapped around with cold air. Peoria and Champaign at 4 right now. Dubuque at 0, along with Mason City, where earlier they were 4 below. And so we've got the winds no longer out of the northwest, but what we're seeing already is the first signs of this clipper coming through. So we've taken that lake effect snow and we've turned it off, that lake effect snowmaker. But now we're bringing in a little bit of light snow into Waukegan. We've got flurries or light snow into Rockford right now at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and also Midway. So the winds out of the southwest, but they'll be out of the northwest once again in the next 12 hours. And here is the first signs of the first clipper coming through and bringing in some very light snow. Now, we're going to be influenced by the winds out of the southwest, so that'll cut off like the snows around the lake. But once that warm front pushes through, the good thing is temperatures tomorrow will be a little bit warmer, and so we'll have temps in the mid to upper 20s. Today, temperatures really struggled. They were only in the lower 20s. And then we'll have a little bit of some colder air, but it doesn't really come into play until Sunday, where it's going to be blustery and even a few snow showers flying around for the Bears game. Here's our RPM model looking up close. Here's our first snow, comes late tonight, even into Friday morning. Mostly cloudy on Friday with just a few flurries flying around. Second clipper, there it is, comes in late Friday night into Saturday and brings in a little bit of snow. But a new system out to the west could bring in more snow even for Sunday, and that would be known as our third clipper. So the 1, 2, 3 clipper kind of adds up, and we can have about 1 inch to 2 inches of snow out there. Otherwise, tonight, just look for like dusting under mostly cloudy skies, 16 to 20 for your overnight low with the winds out of the south-southwest, and then light snow in the morning, maybe a little bit of sunshine in between, otherwise mostly cloudy, and then some snow after midnight Friday night into Saturday. Temperature high on Friday, however, 24 to 30 degrees, and yes, temperatures still in the upper 20s. I'm kind of worried about that forecast Saturday. It might be colder than that. Sunday, chilly, 20 degrees for the Bears game. Then Martin Luther King Day, 27. It'll be windy on Tuesday, and that's where we could get a couple of inches or more of snow as a different system that's not originating to the north comes on through, and we could get, as of right now, it looks like we could get a couple to several inches of snow, but, don't write that one in the books yet. This is meteorologist Duffy Atkins for Duffinately Weather.